day. I'm creative, I'm beautiful, I'm smart. Alright you guys, I just came in from a walk. This is the current scenario. Ellie almost ate a bird, so that was frustrating. So we're just gonna leave her over there. But I just got some CBD oil in the mail, which I'm very excited about. So we're gonna try this later tonight since I don't know how it's gonna be, so I don't wanna use it during the day. But we're gonna try this later tonight and I'm excited. Till then though, let's get a workout on. I'm gonna grab my bands. Okay guys, I'm gonna work out, but I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna film it. But just know that I'm gonna work out right now. I don't like to film my workouts because it makes me feel weird. You guys, this vlog is taking a turn because I realized that today that this vlog is live is Cinco de Mayo. So I thought, why not make some margaritas and some food? So let's start with a virgin marg. You can add alcohol to this if you'd like, but I'm doing sober 2020, so I'm doing the virgin. I got this Sprouts organic margarita cocktail mixer. Can I just taste it from the bottle? Is that gross? Oh well. This tastes like a limeade. Some ice. Margarita mix. I want to add a little agave because I've seen people do that to margaritas, so I don't know. I looked online earlier for like a virgin margarita recipe. A lot of them used sparkling water. I wish they made like a lime kombucha because then I would have added that to this, but I couldn't find one. I tried to look for one. Looks organic. Okay. Oh, is it the carbonation? Yeah, it is. Let's try it. Oh my God, that's good. This looks like not a margarita at all, but it tastes like one. Now you'll need a lime, a jalapeno, and a lime. What we're gonna do is add it for garnish. And then 3 jalapenos. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Cheers. I know, dude. Hello, nice to meet you. The OCD Virgo side of me is like really kicking in. Okay. Clean. All right. I have a problem. I want to make fresh avocado. There's literally no alcohol in this and I can't even talk. All right, guys, I want to make fresh guacamole, but I have an issue. Avocados, hard as a rock. So this one doesn't feel as hard as my other one. She's pretty, but she's still hard. I feel like I need to slice this and then throw it into a bowl. Not ripe enough to just like mush. Oh, she kind of is. Do you think I can heat her up in the microwave? Or is that nasty? Let's try it. I got nothing to lose, except maybe the ripe avocado, but hey. Going in. Do you think that she's okay in there? Oh! Wait, she's mushing. But I don't think she's really, I think she just got warm. I don't think she got softer. This is gonna take me a minute, but you know what? I'm gonna put that to the side for a second because I wanna get these taquitos going. Taquitos! Okay, what the hell? They're faux chicken taquitos. There. These are the taquitos we're cooking. These are so good. Vegan, gluten-free. Boom. There we go. All right, back to this, babe. You're gonna need a lime. So I'm just gonna cut this in 4 different ways. Then we're gonna need jalapeno. Look at all this green. This is gorgeous. All right, speaking of green, let's do some cilantro right now. I'm using my avocado knife. Okay, also to you cilantro haters, we're missing out on the flavor of life. That is so sad. Onion, that's a lot of onion. We good, boo. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I need some tomato. I can grab more tomato, but I just have this little baby right here. I'm gonna start with some lime juice. Oh shoot, why is this so hard to squeeze? Add cilantro, add onion, jalapeno, tomato. Okay, this is me mixing, but I'm gonna put my camera down. Okay. We're gonna add a little garlic to this, not a ton, you don't want it to overpower. And a little sea salt. Back to mixing. Get out of here. Guac, done. Now we gotta wait for the taquitos. This is the best Monday of my life. Jewelry details, the accessory, my grandma, Target, mantra band, the thicker one mantra band, the one below it, see something, I'll link them below. Look at this margarita, little jalapenos in there. Get down, down. Let's see how these, oh God, these babies are doing. All right, here we go. Plate taquitos. Salsa here. I got some vegan sour cream, by the way, guys. The thickness of this is like what you get in an actual like restaurant, because it's like that thick sour cream. The guac. Ah. Done. Look at that, gorgeous. Wait, with the marg though, like, get the hell out of here. Virgin jalapeno marg, salsa, sour cream, taquitos, blue corn chips, avocado. I mean guacamole. Yes. Always be here. This was a fun vlog, just eating. Happy Cinco. Even though we're all having to stay inside and whatever, you can still make it fun. The best part about life is even if you're in lockdown or you're not in lockdown, there's never a reason to not celebrate a holiday. Even if you're by yourself with your dog that won't stop begging. Oh my God. My guac though, make that. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God, for this day. I am so grateful for my life. I'm grateful for this vlog. I'm grateful for my food, for my virgin margarita. I just took a nap. It's that time of the month for me, which means I am so freaking tired and exhausted. And my boobs hurt so bad. Oh, some girls like get cramps, some girls get back pain, some girls get acne. I get the heaviest boobs ever. Oh yeah, I can't believe I fell asleep. I can't believe it, but I also like the fact that I just fell asleep and had a nap after a fake margarita. Like, that's what I would do after a real margarita with tequila, but no, I said, oh, virgin margarita, still need a nap. The last time I ordered from Sprouts, they were out of my regular cold brew, which is the Califia Farm, so we're gonna try this. It smells good. Oh, wait, that tastes good. We're gonna try the CBD oil. It's 6 p.m. I feel like it's too early to take it because I wanted to do it before bed, but I'm feeling really anxious and really irritated tonight. Like I was talking about earlier, it's, you know, the time of the month, so things are, I just feel irritated today. I'm trying to work and then my Wi-Fi keeps shutting off. There's an outage in the area and I just want to get my work done. Hold under your tongue for 13 seconds, swallow and you're done. 30 seconds? Okay. I'm nervous. Why do I have to hold it here? Huh? I swallow? It tastes like mint. It tastes a little bit like a high school party. I'm just honestly taking this because since I'm so irritated and anxious right now, I just want to feel more relaxed, you know? We'll see what happens. D update, I just feel very calm. I'm sleepy. I just feel very relaxed, which I needed. But I will say I went to walk Ellie. My Wi-Fi has been like pretty in and out since like 5, which has been annoying, and I thought it was just me, but there's an outage in our area, so the Wi-Fi and cable's out right now. So I'm still hoping I can get this vlog up for you guys tomorrow since it's Cinco de Mayo, so I want to get it up on that day. It said there was an outage in the area, and then I went outside to walk Ellie, and then my neighbors were asking if my TV was working, and I was like, no, okay, it's not. Honestly, I'm glad that that CBD came in today because I was feeling irritated. Just like, there's always that one day of your period, or like maybe multiple, where you're just like, anything annoyed me. When I was doing my workout this morning, you guys, I was on FaceTime with my sister, and I was using the bands around my thighs and it rolled and I was like, nope, just stopped. I was so irritated I started doing something else. That's my update, you guys. I love you. Thank you for spending this vlog with me. Hopefully we won't have too many more at home vlogs, and then we'll get back to normal life, going out, living our lives, doing fun stuff, and we'll have those for vlogs instead. But I've been really enjoying these vlogs like so much. Anyway though, I'm gonna edit this and hopefully it will be up for you guys tomorrow. I love you so much. Sorry you're looking at my sleepy face, but I'll talk to you soon. Mwah.